Welcome to this brief presentation about how ayfie Inspector powers your data breach notification workflows. In this video, you will gain an understanding of how to use ayfie Inspector to handle breach notification review and reporting efficiently while reducing the inherent risk of non-compliance. A data breach is a security incident in which information is accessed without authorization. Data breaches can hurt businesses and consumers in a variety of ways. They are a costly expense that can damage lives and reputations and take time to repair. As technology progresses, more and more of our information has been moving to the digital world. As a result, cyber attacks have become increasingly common and costly. Globally, the average total cost to a company of a data breach is $3.86 million, at $148 on average per stolen record. Much of this cost comes from poor notification reporting processes and reputational risk and losses. A breach brings with it a lot of issues for an organization and a high amount of risk if they are not properly handled. With ayfie Inspector, you can quickly and efficiently determine if sensitive information was part of the breach, as well as streamline the notification process. ayfie Inspector provides immediate insight through its entity extraction features. By simply applying Inspector to a set of documents, you will learn which files contain personally identifiable information, or PII, the prevalence of PII in those documents, and what information must be reported as part of the breach. Applying Inspector helps to dramatically reduce cost and risk through proactive identification of key entities, such as persons, organizations, locations, and over 200 different types of PII. ayfie's simple process quickly allows a user to select the relevant data set, apply Inspector's powerful analytics, retrieve instant entity extraction, leverage those entities to supercharge review and coding, and generate clear and thorough reporting of that data set. Here's how we do that. After running all affected documents through Inspector, fields are populated, noting where PII is present in documents by type. The first step is to limit your notification universe by creating a search based on those PII fields and including any working fields you will need for review. Here, we are creating a search for documents that include a social security, credit card, debit card, or international bank account number. Once you've limited the population to those documents containing PII, you can begin review. You can leverage the PII extractions to apply highlighting that will speed up your review. Here, you notice that we have false hits on PII, so we noted this in the document that it does not need to be reported. Advancing to the next document, we see that there is PII included and can leverage the Inspector fields to note the PII and who it belongs to. This coding allows for easy reporting, and the extractions allow for easy highlighting and easy coding. When review is complete, a report can be exported combining the review team's work product alongside Inspector's extractions. Ensure that your work product fields, as well as the pertinent Inspector fields, are visible in your search results. The Inspector fields are those that begin with A_. Then simply filter on the population marked as requiring reporting and export the results to a CSV file. You can provide this report straight to your client. This video was an illustration of just one of the many ways you can apply ayfie Inspector to your breach notification workflows. Inspector's extractions empower your incident response team, protect you from fines, and let you focus on your customers' needs post-breach, rather than on an unwieldy process. If you'd like to hear more, click the link below.